Arocom is a very uniquely placed company in the space of AI, data engineering, and cloud computing. Basically, data engineering and cloud computing is the peripheral technology around it. And Arocom provides these services to its clients in US and Europe, who are into the divisions like R&D, who are into pharmaceuticals, who are into drug discovery, which is a typical kind of very complicated scientific approach. Um, the benefit that Arocom the well positioning of Arocom is because of its domain knowledge. Also, all of my team, it has a very strong domain knowledge in specific business domains that we are working. It may be drug discovery, it may be clinical trials, it may be manufacturing, it may be retail. Every person who's involved with Arocom is kind of an expert not only on the tech side but also on the domain side. So that helps Arocom in providing these services to these specialized clients in United States. And this is where our business is mainly